Alright, so today we're going to be talking about box plots. This video is pretty short. It's just going to walk you through how to label them and what they represent. So pause the video and I need you to write down these vocabulary terms. Minimum is the smallest value. Maximum is the largest value. These are not new terms to you guys. The new ones are lower quartile. Alright, sometimes I'm going to refer to that as an LQ just for an abbreviation. And that is the 25th percent. And I'll show you what that means later, but for now I want you to think of the median of the lower half. The median, you know, it is the middle value. The upper quartile is very similar to the lower quartile. It is the median of the upper half, and it refers to the 75th percent. The interquartile range is also called the IQR. And it's just the difference between upper quartile and lower quartile. When you see the word difference, you should think of subtraction. Alright, so we're only going to do one example because I promise you this video will be short. I've already listed our number set in order from least to greatest, so I'm going to go ahead and work towards the median first. That's going to split it into the lower half and the upper half. So I cross out 1 from both ends, and I keep going. I only have one number in the middle, so I don't have to add and divide by 2. This is my median. Now, that median splits into the lower half and the upper half. So the median of the lower half, we have to work our way towards the middle point. Luckily, we only have one number again. So this is considered our lower quartile. I'm going to call it the LQ. Then if we go to the upper quartile, we have to find the median for the upper half. So work our way towards the middle, and it's 14. This is our UQ. Last but not least is our max and min. 5 is our min. And 15 is our max. Okay. When we are drawing the box plot itself, I always start off by putting a dot above every value that we circled. So a dot above 5. A dot above 6. A dot above 10, a dot above 14, and a dot above 15. Okay. Next, take the 3 middle ones, and you're going to draw a box around them, like this. This is the box part. Then you're going to just extend out to the other 2 points. These are technically called the whiskers. This is a box and whiskers plot. But just like we labeled the numbers, we need to label the box and whiskers. So this line right here represents our lower quartile. This line right here represents our upper quartile. The middle line represents the median. This dot right here is our max. And this dot right here is our min. Okay. So our lower quartile goes from 25%, and our upper quartile is 75% of our data. So between the lower quartile and the upper quartile, we've covered 50% of our data. So half of our data is within here. And the next video will walk you through what that means.